Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do a Baby Original unboxing. They've been sending me a lot of products recently, like oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Baby Original. So this is a gifted free collab. I just apply to campaigns and I get accepted, but I don't, I don't get paid. So yeah. But let's see. Let me just unbox. Everything is there. Oh no, the product got everywhere. It's a mess. This is shampoo and conditioner, so all of the product fell off a little. It removed. I don't know how it popped open. I'm trying to be careful. It made a mess. But it looks like a lemonade, like a drink, but you see it's slimy. I don't know where's the hole, but it's very slimy and dirty. Okay, so nope, it fell. Okay, I'm trying not to make a mess and it fell. Okay, so it's slippery. Okay, so this is the Densifying Shampoo Instant Volume and Hydration. So this has aloe vera serum. It has a lot of great ingredients there. This smells exactly like the hair serum that I use, that I like. It's for your hair as well. It helps you, this helps you grow your hair. And what else? And it makes you not be oily. Like my scalp look, I haven't washed it in a few days and it doesn't look so disgustingly oil because I use their hair serum. It actually works. I really like it and I recommend it. Everybody should buy it. But anyway, so I was excited that they finally came out with a shampoo and conditioner, and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited. I feel like it's gonna make my hair look even more healthy. We'll see. But this doesn't have any sulfates, which are bad for your hair, or any other bad chemicals. Look, it says right here. It's sticky. But anyway, so this basically cleanses your hair and nourishes it, and it makes it more hydrated, and it gives you volume, which I need because listen, I don't have any volume at all. I thinned it out when I was in middle school years ago. And the older I get, the more thin my hair gets. I don't get any volume anymore. Look. So supposedly this helps you. Okay, so if you have fine hair like me, or oily hair like me, because it's so fine, you get oily quicker. So yeah. And this gives you hydration, which I need because I also do have dry hair. So this is gonna make your hair look more thicker and healthy. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So I'm excited to try this because I need it. Because I'm getting bald, so like right here I have bald spots here, which I'm trying to remove. I'm using the serum and I'm gonna do it before and after, so let's see if it helps. Okay, so because lengthwise I'm good. I have really long hair. It's down to my butt, literally. So yeah, this smells so good. So it smells like argan oil. Like it smells nice. So yeah, you basically use it like a traditional shampoo, massage from your roots to the end of your hair, and then after that, obviously you use the conditioner, which also fell everywhere. So it's a mess, but look. I know. Okay, even the paper is soaking wet. Okay, this is a different shade of yellow. Okay, so this is a densifying conditioner. So this is instant volume and hydration. So it's basically the same thing. It looks the same. It smells the same. So, ooh, this is so dirty. So It has the same ingredients basically. So you use this on the mid lengths to your hair and all the way to your ends for like 1 to 3 minutes, and then you rinse thoroughly. So yeah, it's definitely the same. It works for the same thing. So this is gonna give you shine too and volume, and it's gonna heal your hydration. So all right. So I'm excited because now I have the hair serum, the shampoo, the conditioner. So I hope with this concoction it helps my hair grow faster. I don't know, we'll see, because my hair right now is healthy looking compared to my old videos. I know. So definitely use the right products because it actually makes a difference. This brand I really like. It actually made my lashes a little bit more longer too. My hair looks more healthy, so it is worth the price. It is pretty pricey, but it's better in the long run for you, because if you buy cheap products that don't work, it's gonna make your hair even worse. So yeah, I'm actually so excited to try this out. So obviously I'm not gonna be able to add a clip right here washing my hair. It's hard to do. I don't have a big tripod or someone to help me record me in the shower, and I don't know, I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna try and do like a review afterwards, or I don't know, we'll see. Or maybe I'll add a clip of me after I wash my hair and then like do like a month update. I don't know, I'm gonna try my best to do a before and after update if I can. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Okay, bye. Thank you, baby original. Thank you.